Yan, Ubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to BRYAN Pampanga. Today's vlog is our 6th video with DTI. So of course we would like to thank DTI for being partner. And today's video we're gonna feature 2 SMEs. Of course, one hotspot in Pampanga, in San Fernando, where you can, enjoy the place. We're gonna talk about that more. So samahan niyo po kami in this video. Okay, so let's talk about the products that have on our table. Siguro, let's start with notes and notice. So, please introduce yourselves po.
Hi, we are Lali and Kenneth Keith from Notes and Notice. Actually, we started with handcrafted perfumes. We all know that designer perfumes are very pricey, So we thought that there could be a way that we can make our own without spending too much. So my husband and I, we researched, pwede ba? Possible ba na makagawa tayo ng sa atin? Then, yes, we found, good thing we found very good quality raw materials. 2019, by the way, we started curating gift boxes naman. Here, you will see our handcrafted perfumes here. There you go.
Okay.
And then, we also have room and linen sprays. Recently added to the product line, the car perfume. Then, our gift boxes are very loved by our clients during weddings.
Yeah.
If you want to build a business, find a gap that you want to be filled. Ang dami pong branded na maganda text, talagang masasabing branded talaga na perfumes. But then, napaka-expensive.
You can't afford it.
Yes. And then dito po sa market dito sa Pilipinas, may mga version brands sila. But then yung po mga specific na mga branded talaga na medyo mamahalin, bakit wala dito sa Pilipinas? So yun po yung gap na namin na-feel na bakit hindi natin ilapit sa mga tao na they can smell luxurious for less. So doon po namin naiisip na bakit hindi tayo gumawa din ng ating version perfume, which is handcrafted. And we are so proud of these products kasi po, masasabi niyo po talaga all the perfume po siya. Same quality, guaranteed long lasting, and for less. Makamasa.
Alright. Thank you so much, Notes and Notice. So let's move on to the next SME. So this is BRYAN GIL. So Miss BRYAN, thank you so much po for showcasing your products po. So what are our products?
So yung aming mga products, categorized into 3 product line. Una is BRYAN GIL Fashion, BRYAN GIL Perfumes, and BRYAN GIL Essentials. So nag-start talaga kami, ang very first piece namin is a copper bangle. Nakabukha nito. Yan. That was in 2011. Yung piece na yun, nabenta siya as in that same day. Nagkaroon ng idea na si husband na gumawa pa siya ng mas marami. So, from 2011, sa mga years na sumunod pa, yung first bazaar namin, nakita kami ng Vidas Hotel and Casino, 2014. 2014 din, sabi namin ni husband, bakit hindi kami mag-amp up with our own perfume line? Doon na kami nakapag-produce ng perfumes.
There you
And
go.
of course, the goal is to provide high-quality perfumes at very reasonable price.
Yes. And then right now you also have your
BRYAN GIL Essentials.
BRYAN GIL Essentials.
Ayun. Yan, nandito yung mga massage oils namin, all natural massage oils. Yan, yung cooling, soothing, and relaxing. And mga natural essential oils yung mga naka-infuse niya.
There you go. Who would have thought na starting from accidental creation that would spark your business po? And right now you are registered sa DTI from what year po?
2016.
2016.
Ayun, sobrang grateful talaga kami sa DTI. But since na-assist kami ng DTI, doon nag-start yung aming mga exposure sa Manila. Yung mga various trade fairs. Ang kauna-unahan is Hanan Central Luzon Trade Fair.
Hanan Central Luzon, yes.
Then National Trade Fair, National Arts and Crafts Fair, and Manila Fame. Grabe!
Manila Fame.
Without DTI, hindi kami mapupunta doon.
I see.
So I was browsing Facebook and then it was actually Miss Brian's products that I saw on DTI Pampanga's page. And then I was like, oh, they got featured in the DTI Pampanga. Maybe we can do that too. Kasi di ba magandang exposure
Yes,
yun.
yes.
Since we cannot go outside, everything is done online. So I messaged them, sabi ko, how can we get featured on your page? Then Sir Darby and Miss Alpine contacted me and we did a business consultation. And from then, they actually encouraged us to register our business, yung do it legally. Kumbaga, kasi that's how they will help you more
Correct.
when you are legally registered and you have all the necessary documents.
So your market grew, para mga underground events lang, mga
Yeah,
ganyan. But
oo.
now, since with the help of the DTI, nagkaroon po tayo mga ibang exposure.
Exactly.
Alright, thank you so much. Stories and discussion is getting deeper po, no? So what an inspirational startups. Right now, we'd like to thank, of course, the Orchard for the nice place. Tell us more about your place, the Orchard.
Well, the Orchard is the first open air mall in San Fernando, Pampanga. A place where everyone can just go out and enjoy. So it's defeating the stigma of the traditional mall, right?
It's enclosed.
Yeah, which is enclosed, that's why we developed the Orchard to create an open space. It's about enjoying. It becomes a haven for family bonding, and we want to create a place where families can come together and just enjoy the outdoors. And we wanted to reinvent it, reuse the land as green as it was before.
For businesses who are interested to do their business here, how can they contact you?
You can message us on our Facebook page, the Orchard Community Place. Yeah, you can reach us through there.
Thank you so much po. Okay, so let's go now to DTI. Sir Darby, Sir Joe, again, thank you so much for being partner with us through this mga campaign po natin to bridge the gap. For any assistance sa mga inspiring SMEs po natin, how can...
So I guess this is
yeah.
the reason why we're here. No? We want to promote the local enterprises in Pampanga.
Yes.
Napakaganda ng mga products natin. We can really be at par dun sa mga competitors natin sa ibang
Correct.
bansa.
Correct.
And the reason why pinagsama namin yung mga perfume makers natin ngayon is we want to empower them the perfume industry in
Yes.
Pampanga. And sa DTI din, we help din sa packaging and labeling.
Yeah.
So some of our SMEs, not just sa kanila, meron tayong ina-assist din for the improvement of their packaging and labeling.
These kinds of projects or videos, yun yung pinatarget din natin to yung mga hindi pa nakakaalam. Marami dyan are business owners. So how can they contact you guys?
Well, we have our own Facebook page, Notes and Notice. Yeah.
We also have Instagram account, instagram.com/notesandnotice. You can also purchase or order our items through our Shopee account.
Alright, how about for Bryan Hill po?
Yes, please like and follow us on our Facebook page. It's Bryan Gil Creations. And for the Bryan Hill fashion, it's on Instagram, Bryan Hill Creations. For the Bryan Hill Essentials, sa Instagram, it's Bryan Hill Essentials. At para sa gusto mga suki namin and mga buyers na gusto ma-avail yung lower shipping rates, you can find us sa Shopee, shopee.ph/Bryan Hill Creations.
Yun. Sir, anything else you want to add to our viewers?
If ever you so happen to pass by Barangay Tarabastagan,
Yep.
San Fernando Angeles,
Yep.
drop by the Orchard. Just enjoy the atmosphere here.
Thank you so much for the great place po, no?
Thank you for coming.
Yes, yes. Sir, for DTI.
Actually, we think kasi we are moving forward beyond this pandemic, no? May mga vaccines na tayo ngayon. So sooner, we will be surviving this pandemic already. And
Of course.
at DTI, of course, we think of continuing this type of assistance to our clients. Like with or without the pandemic, we're gonna continue our partnership
Still gonna push.
with Wearing Pampanga as well. And at the same time, with promoting our SMEs more so online.
There you go. Guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. If you like this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Lalong-lalo na yung mga friends nyo na they wanna start their business. How can they be assisted by DTI? So this is very important. So once again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Bye!
Bye.